No one knows. The fixtures are not available. Your plumber is not allowed to put urine diverting fixtures in your house because Massachusetts Plumbing Board doesn't approve any of them. There aren't good numbers on this. So one of the articles for the next town meeting that we're proposing to do is to have a person go to 50 houses and estimate the cost to put in these several of these different kinds of toilets and see how much it would cost and get an average. Because right now the water planners in Falmouth, they say hooking up to a sewer will cost you $100,000 or more. Putting an IA will cost you $35,000 to $80,000. No number for urine diversion. There's just, nobody knows. There is no number to compare. But we think it's about a quarter of the cost of doing these other things. And if you can show that through a study, then the planners could begin to compare sewers, IAs, and urine diversion as options in watershed plans. So we have an article that said we want a consultant to go around and go to 50 homes and estimate what it would cost to put urine diversion in these 50 homes, different combinations of fixtures, and to see how much it would cost. So what would this person do? They'd see how many bedrooms there are in the house that are suitable, bathrooms are suitable for urine diversion, which ones would be the best, which ones the homeowners would be willing to use, how much it would cost to put in the fixtures, do the plumbing, how much it would cost to be putting a buried tank or a surface tank. You can have holding tanks on the top of the ground instead of buried, which are cheaper. How many homeowners would do this if you told them it was going to cost them a quarter as much as putting an IA in if they're being mandated to put in an IA? So we would like to study this, have the town do a study, this would be the town doing this, to find out the average cost of urine diversion in a house. And we have a budget, $48,000 to do 50 homes. And then they'd write a report and provide it to the public of what the average cost would be for different combinations. So this Article 16, this study, is not included in the tasks that the town is now doing and has paid MasTech to do. MasTech is not going to do this as any of their current tasks in their list that have been funded, and it is not one of the deliverables that they're going to provide to the town when they're done with their study.